Best free 3D modeling software. The right 3D tool depends on the model you want to finish, not the biggest name in the category. Instead of ranking names alone, the free 3D modeling software options are separated by beginners, precise parts, rooms, web visuals, and creative projects. Let the object pick the workspace. Before comparing names, picture the thing you want to finish. That first answer matters more than any feature list, because 3D tools are built with different assumptions, and the best free 3D modeling software is usually the one that matches the object in your head, not the one with the biggest reputation. Blender, if you want the whole studio. Blender is the most complete free option on this list. It is not just a modeling tool, it can handle sculpting, animation, rendering, visual effects, materials, rigging, and more advanced creative workflows. The biggest advantage is that you do not hit a wall quickly. You can start with a simple object and later move into lighting, animation, realistic renders, or full scenes without changing software. The first hours can feel dense. There are many panels, shortcuts, and ways to do the same thing. So Blender is not the easiest first date with 3D. It is the tool to choose when you want to learn 3D as a real skill, not just make one quick shape and leave. Tinkercad, a simple start for beginners. Tinkercad is much simpler, and that is the point. It runs in the browser, uses basic shapes, and makes 3D feel less intimidating. You can combine objects, cut forms, move pieces around, and understand the idea of 3D modeling without being buried under professional menus. That makes it great for students, teachers, hobby projects, simple 3D printing ideas, classroom activities, and total beginners. It is not the tool for complex characters, cinematic scenes, or advanced surface modeling. There is real value in using software that lets you complete something before you start worrying about advanced technique. SketchUp Free for rooms, walls, and spaces. SketchUp Free makes more sense when the thing you are modeling is a place. Its workflow feels natural because you draw, push, pull, and measure in a way that connects well with spaces and structures. You are not sculpting a creature or building a cinematic asset. That makes SketchUp Free especially useful for beginners who want to visualize real spaces without jumping into a heavy professional architecture program. The free web version can be a strong starting point, but if you need advanced exports, professional workflows, or more specific features, check the current plan limits before depending on it. For simple spatial design, though, SketchUp Free feels much more direct than many general 3D tools. FreeCAD, when the model has to fit. FreeCAD belongs in a different category. It is not mainly about making something look nice on screen. That matters if you are designing brackets, enclosures, mechanical ideas, replacement parts, prototypes, or objects that need to connect with something else. It may feel less friendly at first than a simple visual modeler. Spline, for 3D that lives on the web. Spline feels different because it is closer to modern visual design. If you come from graphic design, UI design, or web design, Spline may feel less intimidating than a traditional 3D suite. It is not trying to replace every part of Blender or FreeCAD. Its strength is making 3D feel more accessible for digital design and interactive presentation. The free plan can be useful for learning and testing, but features such as exports, collaboration, or advanced use may depend on the current plan. So Spline is best when the final result is not just a model file, but a visual experience. Smaller tools can be the faster route. Blockbench is useful for low poly and blocky models, especially for game-style assets or Minecraft-inspired creations. SculptGL is a simple way to try digital sculpting in the browser without installing a full professional application. These tools are not trying to win every category. Finish the first model before chasing features. If you want the most complete free 3D software, Blender is the obvious place to grow. If you are completely new, Tinkercad makes the first steps easier. If you want to model rooms or spaces, SketchUp Free is a natural fit. If measurements and real-world parts matter, FreeCAD is the better direction. If your 3D work is for web design or interactive visuals, Spline is worth trying. And if your style is low poly, sculpted, or lightweight, Blockbench, SculptGL, or Wings 3D may be enough. The smart move is not choosing the biggest tool, it is choosing the tool that helps you finish your first useful model without turning the learning curve into the whole project.